The acquisition of a Yawei HLE fibre laser from Applied Machinery has enabled Wildcat Industries to improve its production processes and become more competitive. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. John Flynn is the Managing Director of the Dandenong-based manufacturing company, and he says that the decision to buy a Yawei fibre laser from Applied Machinery was an easy one. The Yawei HLE is constructed on a rigid frame using high-quality components such as a 2 kilowatt IPG fibre laser source, a Swiss Ray Tools cutting head and a German Beckhoff CNC control system. And according to John Flynn, the new machine has revolutionised his company's operations, allowing them to produce parts to much higher quality standards. What's more, it's made him more competitive in the marketplace, saving materials and time and adding the ability to work with other materials such as titanium and stainless steel. Find out more about the Yawei family of fibre lasers by calling Applied Machinery on 03 9706 8066 or all the W's appliedmachinery.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.